Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and today I'm actually on location. I'm in another country, and it's a country actually really dear to my heart. Spent a lot of my youth growing up here. Every vacation, every holiday, I was in this particular country, and the country is our next door neighbor, Canada. I'm excited to tell you guys that I have a book out, and it's called A Twist on Boring Salads, a Salad a Day. And what do you think that means? That means literally what it says, a salad a day. 30 salads for 30 days in a month. It is so delightful. The book is in color, so the pictures are in color, so that's great. Nice big fonts. I can't wait for you guys to get this book. It's available on Amazon, and you will love it. So if you're a person that loves salad or wants to twist your way or change your life and how you want to eat, you want to eat a little bit more healthier, why have your typical boring salad of just your garden salad? Cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes, maybe some shredded carrots. And if you want to jazz things up and make it fancy, you have some Caesar. You can go way beyond that and get total nutritional value in the salad from A Twist on Boring Salads, a salad a day. You'll have beautiful salads that are fully nutritious and will make you the star of the party in the events that you go to and you bring these salads to. So get yourself a copy on Amazon. It's called A Twist to Boring Salads, a Salad a Day by Chef Fran. Well, I grew up a lot in Montreal when I was younger, and as I got into my teen years, early 20s, I know I look like I'm 20, right? I spent more time in Toronto area. That's where my cousin, who's like my baby sister, we're really close, lives in Toronto. And actually, she just got married this past weekend. So that's why I'm here in Toronto, Mississauga area. And what I'm going to make for you guys is a dish dear and near to Canada, but really, I guess, the Quebec area, because it comes out of Quebec, and it's called Poutine. And Poutine is fries, gravy, and cheese curd. Now, I have to be honest with you, it was really kind of difficult for me to find a cheese curd, so you can use mozzarella pearls instead. So it's going to be just as yummy. So I actually bought this poutine from a fast food place, because a lot of the fast food places, even McDonald's out here, sells poutine, because again, I told you it's like the dish, not per se the national dish, but like the favorite dishes of like Toronto and Montreal area. And this was originated out of Quebec around the 1950s, in Centre-de Quebec. So I'm gonna make some poutine for you. So I already have like my fries made up here. So again, very simple to make, and you get some beef gravy. So I'm gonna just take some of my fries and set it up here in my little silicone containers. So we can make some poutine. And so I am going to pour all this delicious beef gravy here, poutine gravy. So think about this like you're eating a mashed potato that's a little crispy. That's how I kind of view it. And you add some, if you're a cheese lover, some decadent cheese to it. Now the cheese curd is usually like a white cheddar cheese curd, but it's been kind of difficult in the supermarkets for me to find. So I could actually use fresh mozzarella, which I have here. Fresh mozzarella pearls to kind of replace it. And so I'm just gonna add some pearls here, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven for a few minutes. And then we're gonna taste the one that I bought from the fast food that's kind of already melted and what we made here together. So again, back home in the States, we just get some French fries, you can make some beef gravy yourself if you had some beef pieces that you cooked, or you can get what's in the store, in the jar, beef gravy, low sodium, and get some mozzarella pearls. Now you gotta put the gravy back on the cheese a little bit. Get that little drizzle here going and here. And then just put it back till the cheese is just slightly melted, but you still kind of see its shape, or you see that it's melting. There we go. Who doesn't want more cheese, right? That's how I look at it. Just add a little more poutine here. More gravy. Okay, great. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes, just so it can kind of melt, but not fully be totally melted. Then we'll come back and we'll taste this. But before we do all that, let me give you the vitamin contents that are in here and what we're eating. So our fries is made out of obviously potatoes. So our potatoes are vitamins B1, B3, B6, C, folate, magnesium, and potassium. Our beef gravy, vitamin A, iron, calcium, and potassium. Our mozzarella pearls are vitamins A, B12, D, E, and calcium. Real facts. In 2021, 27.7% of homes that were led by single moms were food insecure. Meanwhile, about 16% of single father homes are food insecure as well. To learn more, you can go to jdhcdc.org. So here's our poutine, and here's the one I got from a fast food restaurant by itself. And the other one is the poutine that I made, which is fries and beef gravy and pearl mozzarella, fresh mozzarella balls. Because I couldn't find a cheese curd. But the one I got from the fast food place has fries, beef gravy, and cheese curd, which is really like cheddar cheese. Well, guys, my partner's not here to eat with me today, so it's just me alone. So I warmed this up, and so it's all melted. This is the one from the fast food place. Tastes like mashed potatoes. Really good. Here's the one I made. Okay, hold on. Oops. Get some fries with this. I got a lot of cheese here, so let's try to get the fries. The fries are not soggy, which is really good. Even with the gravy, it's not soggy. The mozzarella adds a nice twist to it, actually. Not salty, because, cheddar cheese has salt on it. Has that freshness taste to it, actually. Super good. So, guys, if you don't have cheese curd you can always substitute with fresh mozzarella pearl. And also, my director told me there's something in the States similar to the poutine, and they call it disco fries, apparently. So, from what I've seen, it's like they have the fries, and they put shredded mozzarella on it, put it in the oven, and let the shredded mozzarella melt on fries So it becomes almost like you pick up with a spatula and it's like almost like a casserole dish. You know, it's all one because it's all melted. And then they put the gravy on it. So that's interesting as well. Try this again. Yeah, nice. I'm loving every bite of this. If you love cheese, you love fries, and you want to be able to eat the next day, this is definitely the way to go. Add some gravy to it. And add cheese for your enjoyment, of course. And I always say about cooking, you can become extra creative and maybe even try like a blue cheese on it. It's ambitious. But you're capable. You know, it's whatever cheese you like. You know, I always believe in trying to make things that you like. Stepping out of the norm a little bit. The norm is to have the poutine just with fries, regular cheese curd, and beef gravy. Well, when you can't find that, you have to come with a substitution, right? So why not go ahead and experiment? That's what cooking's all about. It's about reinventing the wheel, creating a new wheel. I always say that. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my whole team and crew know that you're really enjoying what we're putting out for you. And we want to do what makes you happy. So if you haven't subscribed before, subscribe. What are you waiting for? And share. Share this channel with your family and friends, because sharing is most certainly caring. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and big hugs. And I thank you so much for hanging out with me today and trying poutine from Canada. And what you can do is disco fries, I'm hearing. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really enjoy you taking your time out your busy day to watch what I made. And I ask you to come back again and comment. Comment below if you tried poutine in other places, or disco fries, so to speak, or if you're going to try to make this, and if you're going to try to be a little bit more creative, or just do the way it's supposed to be done. I would love to hear from you. Comment, we do answer. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you. Love you guys. Bye.